Hello there. I came across this support Ukraine rebuild a while ago and decided to enter it. And basically what it is, it's obviously to show your support for the ongoing, to show your support for the Ukraine in the ongoing conflict with Russia, the ongoing war. And basically what you have to do is to build a kit that's made in the Ukraine, like RCM or ACE or any other kit made in the Ukraine. And my entry will be this. And I will show the kit in the build below and what I plan to do with it. So yeah, if you want to join this group build, I will share all the details in the video info below the video. So it's for a great cause. I'll only build one entry, but this will be it. So yeah, if you want to join it, it's not too late. It still runs for another month, so plenty of time. Stay safe out there and happy modeling.